carpets are measured and inspected based on their material and conditions to define the best treatment needed. 5asec carpet cleaning is conducted with eco-responsible process. Accumulated dust is removed through this high-speed dust remover machine. They are collected and processed before disposal, resulting in reducing 99% air pollution impact compared to traditional methods. The carpet carried by conveyor belts goes through the 4 stages arranged in the washing train: shampooing, brushing, rinsing, rolling. In the cleaning stage, the brushing is performed. 12 brushes arranged on a slide moving from one side to the other of the washing train. These slides are equipped with a pneumatic system in order to control the pressure applied to the carpet. With this washing train, brushes, water, and shampoo are only used in the area where the carpet travels. This sophisticated method achieves significant savings in water and detergent consumption. The whole process provides the ultimate cleaning quality result within a short period of time. After washing, the carpet is rolled into the spin dryer to remove excess water while maintaining its shape. This removes 80% of water for quicker drying process. The drying quality achieved is currently the best available on the world market. With the combing machine, we achieve a fast and efficient combing of all kinds of carpets, oriental, wood-made, and others. The brush pressure is automatically regulated depending on the thickness of the carpet. Exposure to direct sunlight is not recommended as it degrades the carpet quality and appearance. 5asec drying room is 70% more effective than traditional method. The controlled and constant heat ensures total drying in each fiber, preventing the growth of mold. Every carpet undergoes quality control before getting packed and vacuumed. Finalizing the packing process of carpets by vacuuming, leaving no space for mold to grow. This prevents odor and prolonged carpet quality. 5asec, the world's best carpet cleaner.